pretty messed up grip tape. And here is the grip tape I will be using. The caution grip tape. Pretty nice. I'm gonna see how it's gonna look on the skateboard. This one looks great so far. It's pretty sick. I like it. I also build electric skateboard, so make sure to subscribe if you are interested. Alright, so here is the mess. As you can see here, this grip tape is pretty messed up. And yeah, let me go ahead and remove that real quick and put this on. It comes off pretty nasty. So I just took off the old grip tape. Alright, looking good. Check how slick this looks. Alright, so let me know in the comment section which one you think looks better, the caution grip tape or the camel grip tape. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Remember to subscribe for more videos, guys.